Hi guys, today I am going to be playing Minecraft, and also it's Minecraft PE, but some people have different Minecraft. You can get it on App Store. If you want Minecraft, you can get it on App Store, but it costs money. And this is my world. Here's my world, and I will give you a tour around my house. I'll leave that in here for now. Just don't worry about that noise. Okay, da. This is a spare room and another spare room.
I'll put it down here.
And this is my room. And this is Soccer Penalty Zach's room. And I also have this archway that I designed. And also, I'll show you upstairs now. This is my dining room. Oh, I forgot to show you about my toilet. This is my toilet, guys. A working shower. Let me go have a shower. Whoosh, whoosh. Done. Oops, I need to go toilet. Done. Now flush the toilet. And then now I'm gonna go wash my hands with warm water. And I'm gonna show you upstairs now. Here is my balcony. And I also have a jumping castle and a bin. And now I'll show you my storage. This is all my storage. And this is my lab. And this is my farm and my animals. And this goes all the way up to the sky, as you can see. And look at my animals. I have cows, pigs, sheep, chickens, rabbits, and also mushrooms. And maybe I'll and every time the chickens see seeds here, they really want it. Seeds. And now I'm gonna put this in the kitchen. And now I am going to be in here. And here's my enchanting, but I'm gonna go downstairs now, put these food back up. And also, someone might be joining. And I'm gonna put, whoops, where am I going? The kitchen's here, Dolly. And this is also my horse. Soccer penalty Zach is right next to me. So hard. And I'm so weak with sugar. Okay, I had enough in this world. Now I am going into another world. No, that's not the one. I have so many worlds. You can see up here that says the world's 69. And this is my world. Another world that I wasn't going in. Yeah, this must be. Yeah, it's it. This is in survival. And also, this isn't actually in creative. Yeah, someone damaged that. So I am going to fix that. There. Just fix it. And this is such gloves. Okay, now I am going to put that way, get these. And this is my house. No one knows that I have a whole thing. Only some people. Oh no. So, yeah.
I do.
As I was saying, I have a secret hall of fame. So you guys comment down below and I'll pick the best poem. Or comment. And I'll put the sign up. I have lots of signs. And here is also my cow, Daisy. And my room. 2 extra beds for sleepover. And then I have a big waterfall, as you can see. And you can swim around that. I'm going. What? Up here. Slide, push. This pony has been very bad to me. So I hear that. I'll ride it now. And I will ride. And then I'll run. And these horses. Then I'm gonna make a big hole. Because these horses are very annoying and I'm not bothered. I need no horses and donkeys. Horses and donkeys, that's what I meant to say. Ooh, someone's gonna fall down there. And it's not our fault. Like me. I will never die. Because it's my world. And this can have things in it. I'm Mona Lisa. Lisa. Yeah, now I can't break this girl, right? It doesn't matter if donkeys fall down there. Slash horses. If they stay on the side, you'll know that they're smart.
Got your pies.
And that horse is too beautiful. Where is the donkey? Donkey. Donkey.
Don't.
Come on.
Is it a small one or a big one?
Oh no. I didn't mean to do that. I want to see if they're smart. I'm trying to tame them if they're smart. This one's smart. Yes. That one's not smart. But this one looks like it's gonna be smart. Yeah, this one is so smart. Let's see if he's very smart. I'm going inside. And then I'm gonna budget. Okay, now this is a tour, but I'll get them back. And so, yeah, subscribe and like.